In this video tutorial I won't tell you the whole process of how you can build and start your own e-commerce brand or store if you're not a tech person or if you don't know anything about computers. At the end of this video you learn a lot. You get a broad idea of how things works. Let me describe and teach you how things works, but there are 3 steps just to make a clear idea of. I know it's theory part, but it's important to understand. Next I will move you in depth, giving you a clear roadmap and practical idea of how you earn. The first step is to choose what to sell. In this process many people go confused, but I am here to guide. Think you an idea like a service, something unique, but if you are not getting one, just analyze in your surrounding, like when you go to a mall, what things stores are selling and what's in demand. Like shoes, it's an essential need, everyone wants it. Women's want cosmetics, children wants diapers and toys, everyone wants a nice perfume to smell good. So your half problem is already solved. Take your time and think what's in demand, what thing or service you sell everyone wants. Just think by yourself and do a little self-questioning. Okay my friend, listen. First platform is Amazon, where you can sell, and Shopify is another platform where you can build a store. It requires designing your own, like starting with a one with your own logo and everything. It comes under private label. The third one is of eBay, which is also one of the biggest marketplace to sell on. The fourth one is Walmart. It's also same as the Amazon, eBay and Shopify. Now you have to take the decision, like where you want to sell, what suits you. Amazon requires marketing campaign, it's paid. Shopify also wants a little marketing budget, but listing is free on Amazon and eBay. So you can start from absolute zero, but I am supposing you have $100 in budget. Okay, now take time and choose one of them according to your own plan and dream or what suits you. Shopify gives a trial for first month only for $1 and then it charges $19 per month. Meanwhile Amazon has a plan for $39, but there's a way you can pay $1 per sale. In this case you don't pay for $39 per month. It's a commission-based technique which Amazon gives. All you need to do is to visit Shopify website in order to start, and Amazon Seller Center for Amazon. There is also an app by name of Amazon Seller Center. If you're not easy with website, believe me, all you need is to start. Everything is super easy, just open your laptop and start exploring plans for Amazon and others. I believe in you, you have the potential, I know. First step is to choose a plan or go with commission per sale. Second step is to go list some products and launch a marketing campaign. It's called PPC, paid per click, means it simply cuts your per click cost when someone clicks on your product. Third step is to make record either of sale. In this step you don't need to do anything, Amazon will gives you. It also gives a notification if you have a mobile app for Amazon called as Amazon Seller Center. It's just a platform where you can make your own private store, which all control in hand. If you are going with Shopify you need to design a little store, but it's super easy because you don't need coding or any technical skill. Just watch a 10 minutes tutorial and you will learn all. It's drag and drop. At last you want to run ads, you can choose any social platform where you want to run. The purpose is to drive traffic on your store, then traffic means audience will purchase if they want to. Now please take steps to start your journey. I just forgot to tell what traffic is for Shopify. When you run ads on Facebook and Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok, audience some to your Shopify store and then they visit your platform through these platforms and then they purchase. In the next video on next Monday I will tell you all the process, how to make a store and how to run ads and all.